subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSoul blog.
The OnePlus 6 is coming soon, and today the Chinese company has decided to start its marketing campaign for the device. The OnePlus has released the first official teaser video, as you can see here, for its next flagship smartphone. It's only a 4-second long video, but it manages to confirm the name OnePlus 6. It also tells us that this phone will pack the speed you need. The OnePlus CEO, Pete Lau, has already confirmed that his company's next flagship smartphone will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, and that's where the speed comes from. He also said the launch will be happening in June. Additionally, OnePlus co-founder Carl Pei has admitted that the OnePlus 6 will have a screen with a notch. The notch will measure exactly 19.62 by 7.69 mm. That makes it larger than the Essential phone but smaller than the iPhone X. The OnePlus 6 is likely to have at least one version with a wood grain finish on the back, which is a pretty unique look. So what do you guys think of the OnePlus 6 so far? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share, and for more tech updates subscribe to our channel TechSoul blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.